Hello and welcome to DIUX section. I'm Zhenggang and I'm a designer on the application design team. In this section, I will show you what DIUX is, where to get it, and how to use it. Dimensional Insights User Experience, aka DIUX, it's a toolkit that makes it simple to create visually stunning and easy to use dashboards. In DIUX, we have 5 types of resource that to help you build better dashboards. First, basic principles from alignment, spacing, colors to naming. They're all described and demonstrated in a design guidelines PDF. Second, we have a dedicated dashboard skin for the dashboard application that makes your dashboard look elegant. Third, we have a set of more than 100 colored icons for you to choose. Fourth, we have some customizable layout components that will make your dashboard contents organized and easy to use. Finally, we provide several inspirational design examples that we collect from our users worldwide. Let me show you where you can get this resource that we just talked about. On themints.com, under Resources, Interface Design, and a button go there now will bring you to the DIUX website. This site has all the resources you need, including skin, design guidelines, icons, etc. In the following section, I will show you how to use DIUX in your dashboard design process. If you have DIUPort 7.1.18 or newer version of DIUPort, the DIUX skin is already included. If you are using an earlier version of DIUPort, you can go to DIUX website and download the all-in-one package. To use DIUX skin, go to Admin, Portal Settings, Skin, and choose DIUX. And to use DIUX icons, click on Icon on the website and pick the ones you want. Then drag them to your Portals image folder. As you can see, we have DIUX and the Workbench window side by side. So let me drag the icons I need to the image folder. Alright, and we will assign the icon file names in the menu settings. Click OK, and now icons are all set. To use layout components, click on UI, and we use stem background as an example. Then click on Copy HTML code. Then, on the DIUPort page, we paste it into an HTML portlet. You can resize it and change the label of it. You can do the same with the layout, other layout components as well. If you're looking for inspirations for dashboard design, check out the gallery sections on the homepage. This high-quality dashboard examples provides various design patterns for different kinds of purposes and are the most helpful resource for you when you are designing dashboards. So this is DIUX, a set of visual and usability enhancements for designing visually stunning dashboards. You can find it out on our website, themints.com, under Resources, Interface Design, or go to www.themints.com/DIUX/. Thank you for watching.